In the equation of an exponential function, now they're going to give you something like this and say, okay, find our a, b, and q. You'll notice that there's no plus p here, so they can give you without the plus p. So let's do that without the plus p there. Now, sometimes the plus p is there, just that it's embedded into the a. That is, for example, let's say they give you something like this and say the equation is y equals to 2x plus 2. This is our p. It can disappear and go into this. That how you can say y equals, according to laws of exponents, 2 to exponent x times 2 to exponent 2. That is, you separate this 2 to that. Then 2 to exponent 2 is 4. Then I can put it first. 4 times that is 12. Then times 2 to exponent x. So it might look like it's not there, but it's there, but it's inside the p, the a. Okay, let's look at this one. So find the equation of the following exponential curve, but don't worry about this because they'll give you the general form. They'll say, okay, y is equals to a bx plus q. Find a, b, and q. In this case, we can see the q already. The q is the dotted line, so it's on 6. That means we have y equals to a b to exponent x plus 6. Now, there's this point that you can substitute, that will help, but then there's another one that's better. This one, where you have 0 is to 4. So let's use this first. So we use that. Let's use this first before the other one. So this one says 4a b 610 plus 6. You can see why I chose it, because now the b disappears. So 4 equals to a b to exponent is 1. So plus 6. So a times 1 is still just a. Plus 6. You move the 6 that side, that means a is minus 2. At this point, you have that y equals to minus 2, b to exponent x plus 6. So you just need to find b. To find b, you use this point. So this point is minus 12 equals to minus 2, b to exponent 2 plus 6. So you move the 6 to the other side, you're going to get minus 18 minus 2b squared. Divide by minus 2 on both sides, 9 equals to b squared. Apply square root, not forgetting plus minus, 3 equals to b. But then b is always positive, just know that, therefore b equals to 3. Now you have the full equation, where b is solved as well. Let's go to the next one. So look at this one. So they're saying, they give you the sketch, find p and q. Now, with this one, again, the q is known. Q is the dotted line, so it's 1. That means you have y equals to 2 to exponent x plus p plus 1 already. So you just need to find the p. You just find another point. Another point is 0 is to 3. Substitute 3 equals to 2 to exponent 0 plus p plus 1. Move that 1 that side. 2 equals to 2 to exponent p. 0 plus p is p. Therefore, here's 1. That means 1 equals to p. Therefore, the equation like that, that is y equals to 2, x plus 1 plus 1. I'll stop there for this before I start interpretation of graphs.